Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Teradek Link or Link Pro Wi-Fi router and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this router is not connecting to your devices or not connecting to the internet, or it does not seem to be detected, if it's sluggish or slow, any kind of issues like that you're trying to get fixed can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now, you're going to want to set this up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get this router set up as a new device, like it's just coming out of the box, we can do that very simply. All we need to do is make sure we have power to it, and we're going to need a paper clip or something like that to press the reset button, which we're going to find here, right near where we plug in the power. Right here, you'll see these little arrow circles, and there's a whole recessed button right here. You just need to press and hold this button for at least 3 seconds, and that will initiate a hard reset to the factory default settings, and then you can set it up as a new device.